Nĩ mwĩhoko wakwa no ũthiĩte na mbere na kwĩrorera Kĩheo Television mohoro ma thaa mũgwanja na njĩra itiranĩte tũrĩa tũkũharĩrĩirie ndirĩ wika no ĩrĩ tũrateithania na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Lorina Wambui njĩtagwo Francis Wairura na tũrambĩrĩria na riboti kuma mwena wa Narok. Commissioner wa kaunti ya Narok Kipkech Lotiatia nĩ orĩtie family iria ithiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo cikarĩte kũndũ kwĩna hurũrũka o ũndũ ũmwe na irĩma-inĩ hakuhĩ na mũtitũ wa Mau ikorwo igĩthama na ihenya o ta ũrĩa kwahoteka. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya gũcerera family iria ithiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ihutĩtio nĩ matuĩka, oho gavana ũyũ oho commissioner wa kaunti nĩ oigĩte atĩ mbura nĩ ĩtanyĩtwo kuura kũndũ gũtiganĩte na arĩ na bata wa mũingĩ gũkorwo ũkĩĩgitĩra kumana na mũiyũro ũndũ ũmwe na matuĩka.
Rĩrĩ mbura nene thiĩte na mbere na kuura guothe bũrũri-inĩ, nake kamishna wa kaunti ya Mũhuro Lotiatia nĩ ikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ aikari na bamĩrĩ iria cikaraga hũgũrũrũ-inĩ o kana hakuhĩ na mĩtitũ ya Maathai kumana na mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere na kuura guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
Mambo mengine janga ingine yanaweza kuepukana naye. Mambo mengine vile tunasema tumeelezwa hapa, janga ni janga. Janga ni ajali. Janga itasokotokea wakati ambao utarajii. Inatokea wakati wowote. Ile ambayo tutaweza kuweza kuepukana naye tuepukane. Ile ambayo hatujui kama wakati itakuja, tunasema pia tuweke mikakati pia na tujiweke pia tujilinde. Tusiweze kuweza kujiexpose.
Akiaria thibitarĩ-inĩ ũmwe mwena ũcio wa Narok ya Mũhuro na kũrĩa acemanĩtie na bamĩrĩ iria cihutĩtio nĩ mũiyũro na kũrũa nĩ bamĩrĩ ciao, kamishna ũyũ nĩ athing'ĩrĩirie harĩ bata wa aikari gũikaraga marĩ cemba na kwĩhũga mũno makĩria.
Kuna shule moja ilikatwa huko chini. You even wonder how the logistics will be done when it comes to NEC exams, because they have been teaming up with the other schools to supply exams and collect. That means this time round, that particular school may have to look for their own transport, because the other zone, the lower side, will have their team going round.
Ona kũrĩa ũguo aikari matongoretio nĩ Fredrick Cheres nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana rĩao kũrĩ ateti kũmateithagia rĩrĩa maũndũ ta maya mahanĩka.
Ya kwanza tulipoteza maisha ya mzee ambaye tulikuwa tunategemea kwa kijiji. Hapo tunasema tupole kwa huyo mzee. Kitu kingine ambayo tulipoteza ng'ombe 19 ya watu mbalimbali. Kitu kingine ambayo tulipoteza ni shelters ama house, makao ya watu. Tulipoteza vyumba 11 wa hiyo shida. Kitu kingine ambayo tulipoteza akondo 3.
O kamishna ũyũ nĩwe Lotiatia nĩ ongereire na kuga nĩ ateanĩirie mbara iria cirathiĩ na mbere hamwe na ũici wa mahiũ na kuga ũgitĩri nĩ ũgacĩrithĩtio makĩria. Ngĩribotera Kĩheo TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ngetĩka Esther Wanjikũ.
Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya mwandĩki wa mohoro Esther Wanjikũ. Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ kumana na ũnyihu wa namba ya maabitha ũtungata wa mwĩrĩ, rĩu maabitha arĩa makoragwo makĩrigita mũingĩ na arĩa makoretwo marĩ na mũcemanio kana kĩgomano mwena wa Naivasha nĩ morotete rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ makiuga atĩ nĩ rũrathaĩrĩra harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mũingĩ nĩ wakorwo ũkĩgacĩrithia ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, rĩu marĩ na maabitha makorwo makĩongererwo.
We want to see the Minister of Health placing or rather recruiting public health officers and technicians, because since the last time they employed PHOs at the ministry was since before even the devolution became in place. We actually seeing the next like 2 or 3 years going forward, we actually going to have an empty shell at the Ministry of Health at the 4th floor, because most of the people that are at the ministry are actually exiting service, and you have not seen most of them being employed, and rather being for you to replace, you don't need a budget. Already we have a budget for people actually leaving. We're actually requesting and actually asking the ministry to do the honorable thing and replace all the PHOs so that we can be able to do ensure we do disease surveillance. Now we have seen a lot of issues like programs like school health, TB being manned by people and non-PHOs.
Mandate of public health officers is within their scope of practice. Yes. And at one point, I don't know whether it has changed, school health program is run by an oncologist. This country has shortage of oncologists. And yet you put somebody who has no core competence in a place for whatever reasons. I think this one must be corrected. The Tobacco Control Act, the enforcers of the Tobacco Control Act is public health officers. In the recent bill, which is being, which has been taken to Parliamentary Health Committee, the technical person is removed from the board of directors. The tobacco control is the core competence again of public health officers.
We have through a letter that we gave out recently to the counties that we shall not allow any public health officer to practice without a practicing license.
For which the Constitution mandates the national government under Schedule 4 to develop policies. But that doesn't mean that you don't involve all the stakeholders. So as the Public Health Union, we promise that we'll be able to walk the journey together and involve you in all these policy-making processes.
Na tukiuma Naivasha tukiukia kule kaunti ya Turkana. Gavana wa kaunti ya Turkana Jeremia Lomorukurai ni athite na mbere na gukora giukirira maabitha thirikari ya kaunti yake na aria kuririkana ati makoretwo makinyita itemi hari ciiko cia ungumania. Akiaria hindi ya uhoro wigi uheani wa basari kana kigina kia guteithiriria arutwo hindi ya mathomo, Gavana Jeremia ohono igite ati thirikari yake iri muharino wa mbere hari gutigirira ati mathomo ma ciana ciothe ni mathi na mbere na gukuruma gacirithio.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Turkana Jeremiah Lonomukai ni arutite mukana kuri maafitha a kaunti aria augite no gufura mbeca cia mathomo, akiuga mari na mukoroko munene. Akiaria hindi ya uruguria wa kigina kiu kia mathomo kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 430, Lonomukai augite mubango uria urahuthika kunyagia kigina kiu uri na ungumania na ni undu uguthukia mathomo.
Kama viongozi wa Turkana kuna ukora inaendelea mali kwa pesa ambayo inatakana iende kwa watoto. Na hiyo sio story. Na pia wale directors wa hizo institutions ama coordinators, tafadhali let us not encourage, because kama unaiba basari ni nini itakuzuia kufanya human trafficking ama kuiba watu? Because if you can steal money that is meant for that kid, that poor kid from a very poor background, poor family, na wewe umechukua 15 na umedanganya umepeleka pesa watoto wasomee.
Minister wa githomo wa kaunti ya Turkana Audan Lea Lolokal ni oriti aciari gutwara ciana ciao thukuru kuona ni mekirire sekta-ini ya githomo ona makiria.
Kila wakati Gavana wewe huwa unasema tafadhali pesa ingewezekana ifike hata bilioni 1 to invest kwa education, kwa sababu umeeleza ya kwamba umetamani kuona Waturkana wengi wakisoma, kwa sababu unaamini ya kwamba Waturkana wengi wako na akili ya kutosha. Hata unaweza toa Mturkana akichunga na bado umweke darasa na afanye vizuri. MCA wa Kanamneker James Ikeni ni orotete thukuru irirahuthira maritwa ma arutwo aria matagirire nigo kugumia besha, akiuga ni undu ugucungiriria thukuru icio kuhingwa na kuhingurirwo thitango.
Zile partners agencies ambao wanasaidia bursaries ni more than 7 ama 8 ambao wanasaidia county kulipa school fees. Mheshimiwa Gavana, wakati mtoto wa Turkana anakosa pesa kwa sababu ya some institutions ambazo wanapata pesa mingi in terms of paperwork with ghost list of students, I want to point these ones to driving schools ambazo ziko hapa Turkana. Driving schools, you are doing a very bad job. You either rectify it or you close your business.
Hadini Hakeo TV jitagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru.
Ngatho wa Irimu wa Wanjiru, na thutha wa kumakira riboti iyo turamba gwikiriro hanini ni turacokereria ndukae guthie kuraya.
ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Jiguel Tingo College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kireu na makaheo umenyo uregereire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence, umishia naja ta German. Marehi maitu ni mafashirire uwega ukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo. Tusherere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera kifugu 1 3 kifugu mugwaje mweneo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke tanathira. Jewel Tingo College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo njoo nami twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo nami twende Kemuma Engineering System wa security. Tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa Githima rucini thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ukanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaingira kiverereki the tabarira ya Ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 4 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wagoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikumbi ria Kigosho. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene farafaraini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Roysambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super wĩkũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakunduka yo tondu cia wone nyingi ejendaga kaga ya moyo. Wairetu wakunduka yo tondu cia wone nyingi ejendaga kaga ya moyo.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Naam, karibu nitwacokereria hari ikireka ria keri na ria muthia gwa kahinda ka miaka na mithiru makiria ma Kenya 751 nio marikitie kuhonokio kuma bururi-ini wa Myanmar. Ndomiriri no ithite na mbere na gukorwo ihianitwo ni mutongoria wa ndundu ya minister guku bururi-ini no ri no minister wa maundu ma nja ya bururi Musalia Mudavadi. Oho no ngereire na kuga ati kuri na Kenya angi 39 na aria mathite na mbere na gukorwo mahingirwo thiini wa ceceni itiganite cia borithi bururi-ini wa Myanmar.
But it's a debate that Kenyans will have because we have also faced a backlash from Kenyans who argue that to what extent should the taxpayer of Kenya underwrite transgression, so that if a Kenyan is getting involved in criminal activity outside, to what extent can Parliament actually allocate funds for interventions in those spaces? So it's a question that Parliament and yourselves being in Parliament will have to really think through. It's a debate that Kenyans will have because we have also faced a backlash from Kenyans who argue that to what extent should the taxpayer of Kenya underwrite transgression, so that if a Kenyan is getting involved in criminal activity outside, to what extent can Parliament actually allocate funds for interventions in those spaces? So it's a question that Parliament and yourselves being in Parliament will have to really think through. Then there's the issue of jurisdictional and
Na rĩu tũhiũke nginyagia kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Nandi kũrĩa nyiti itemi thĩinĩ wa honge itiganĩte meyumĩrĩte na gũkorwo magĩtetera minista wa ũtungata wa mũingĩ Felix Kosgei na ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akĩrotwo akĩrĩkana atĩ gũkorwo agĩthogana kũingĩrĩra ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũteti wa mwaka wa 2027. Mwandĩki wa mohoro na nĩwe Njoki wa Maina ni aratarĩria.
Tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu ya kwamba tuheshimu Head of Public Service ako na maoni pia yake, na tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu ya kwamba tuheshimu Head of Public Service ako na maoni pia yake, na hakuna siku yenye Head of Public Service amesema ya kwamba yeye anaunga mkono mtu fulani katika hii kuomba kura ya ugavana ama useneta ama MP. Yeye pia ako na maoni yake, lakini hakuna siku ame-mention ama amesema jina la mtu. So tunaomba kwamba wenye wanaendelea kuongea vibaya, wanaongelea kushutumu hiyo ofisi ama mfanyikazi katika hiyo ofisi ya rais. Najua ukitukana Head of Public Service ama kuongelea vibaya ni kama umetukana rais mwenyewe.
Kwa sababu tunaelekea msimu wa siasa na uchaguzi, akatoa maoni yake ya kwamba inatakana tukue na viongozi ambayo wako na moyo ya kusaidia watu bila kutacha mtu yote. Akapatiana minimum requirements ya viongozi ambao wanatakikana, na kama kiongozi wa Nandi alikuwa na haki kama mtu yeyote kutoa hiyo maoni, na kweli raia walifurahia. Lakini kuna viongozi ambao pia pengine wako na ulekevu fulani, wakaonelea pengine hawa ndio walikuwa wanaongelewa. Lakini Head of Public Service Mheshimiwa Felix Kosgei alikuwa anatoa maoni kuambia wananchi tuwe na viongozi wazuri ambao watasaidia wananchi. Kama wanataka kurudi kwa siasa, warudi kwa njia ambayo inafaa, waombe kura wananchi kama mtu yoyote bila kuingiza china ya Head of Public Service.
Wawaje kutoa blame game, waende kwa raia, waende kwa raia kuomba kura. Wasicho wakishindwa wao nasema Chief of Staff ndio amefanya hivi, Chief of Staff amefanya hivi. Chief of Staff ni mkaaji wa Nandi, ana maoni ya kusema chochote. Hako na haki kwa sababu yeye ni mkaaji wa Nandi.
Na riboti iyo niyo yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tugukuharireirie ni ngatho cia mwanya ni gutwihoka undu na gukorwo wikaranithitie hamwe na ithu Juma Wika no iritumba na memereke na njira ya ciiko na ketagwo Lorina Wambui ni njitagwo Francis Wairura Ngai witwenda ni tukagoma na muthenya wa Sunday ya na weekend na umithio.